If you could give us 3 key features about your solar panel, what would they be?
Well, Tindo is renowned for longevity, durability, and high quality. And so this one's no different. So it'll last a long time, 25-year replacement warranty. If we look at the frame, it's a 35mm frame, so very rigid. So we avoid any micro cracking as a result. And our zero defect manufacturing process. So we know every panel that comes out is perfect, and we have a positive power tolerance. So yeah, this is a 475. Normally in the factory, they're flashing about 480. So everyone's getting great value for money.
How do you feel about being the only Australian-made solar panel manufacturer in Australia?
Well, it's a good position to be in at the moment, but we think competition is healthy. So we'd like to see others in Australia manufacturing. It'll make us stronger, more resilient as a country for renewable deployment as well. But we hold that mantle with great care. We're trying to do the right thing. We manufacture high quality, and we think that's the best way to do it.
You have 5 seconds to tell us what's coming up for Tindo.
What's coming up for Tindo in 5 seconds? How about 5 minutes? Is that? So we're going to just keep making high quality, stand by our principles there. With Arena, we're working towards a giga scale, so gigawatt factory in the future. We're doing some work on that now, and so we just hope to get bigger and better.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
No worries. Thank you.